Guys, free food. Free fish. Hinatag, oh. Sarap. Prito ko siya bukas. Kaya, sarap kainin. Thank you, Sabi. So, guys, I can already my fish. Fish here, I open. So, like that. Then I open like that. Open like that. Close it. And open. So I got already one, two. And how many? 1, 2, 3, and 5. So I have 5 fish. And guys, lagyan natin siya ng vinegar. Apple cider. Lagyan natin siya. Guys, mga unta na ako isda. Gihata gabi. May nag-fishing last night. Kain tayo fish. Minsan lang to sa buhay ko. Yung fish ko sniper. Yung friend ng husband ko nag-fishing. Tapos binigyan kami ng isda. Kaya pinakas ko na siya last night. Tapos na-try ko siyang prituhin. Binabad ko siya sa vinegar and garlic. Look like bangus now.